Elmer's glue. This is the glue. This is the shaving cream. This is the
baking soda.
And this is the pink. The
Pink coloring.
coloring and
The contact lens solution.
and we got
Alright, so what are we making today, guys?
slime.
Alright, so Franny's going to be our first pourer. He's going to take a half a cup of glue and he's going to pour it in our mixing bowl. Go ahead, Fran.
Pour it in.
Careful, careful.
Oh!
Alright.
But wait, make that come out. It's
Good
not
job.
coming out. Oh my gosh, that's all over the floor.
Alright, next up, Reese is going to help us put in the quarter cup of...
shaving cream. Mommy, wash it. I might need a little help.
We're going to use it to mix in a minute. Hold on, Doc.
Oh.
Keep working.
Can't get that in. I mix it.
Yep, you can mix in 1 second.
And then we both mix.
Yeah.
You mix fire and I mix the slime.
Alright, let me help her a little bit. We're just
Yeah,
going to get all that shaving cream
Mommy,
out.
like this. It's not
Then
working.
use the spoon to mix, friend.
Okay, we don't use forks. In there.
Yeah, mix it up. And while he's mixing, Reese is going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking
Wait, and
soda.
then can I?
It's alright, we'll fill it up. Got a little spill.
Done. That was
Keep mixing. Franny, you put in the half. So it's 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda.
Alright, can I mix now? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
While Franny puts the 1.5 teaspoons in.
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah, put it in, Fran.
God. And then I do. We make slime.
Alright. And we're going to add a couple drops to make what?
Slime. Slime.
The color of the slime. Yeah?
I give me paper tail.
Yeah.
Because my hands are stuck in farmer glue. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I just mix. This needs to get going. Get the shaving cream in. Get the shaving cream. I need to mix this. What? Why was my turn?
It is soon. And now Franny's going to pour in the magic solution that makes it slime. This is our contact lens solution. And it's a tablespoon. Alright, this is where it gets super sticky, slimy. Keep mixing.
I'm mixing it with my... Ow, that hurts my arm. I can't...
You gotta use your muscles, right?
Oh my gosh, I can't... Mom, wash this!
Please.
Please.
Alright, keep mixing, Reese. Give Franny a turn in a minute.
Oh my gosh, it's white.
It's okay. If you mix it up enough, the colors will blend.
Oh my gosh, this is...
Alright, hand it to Mommy. I'll give
Alright.
it some muscle. Show them what slime looks like when it's done. You want to turn the mix?
This is our real slime that we made before when we were not vlogging.
When we weren't what?
Reese, you turned mine. What? You turned mine. Oh, get his. I got his by accident. No, that's yours.
Alright, no fighting. Here, Franny. This is the super sticky slime.
Whoa, I do not. This is done.
Almost. Alright, it's very sticky. But explain to them, Reese, the more you play with it, the less...
It's stick.
Keep your hand down.
Wait, can that be
Here it
Franny's?
comes.
Oh, mine. Here. It's mine. Whoa.
And that's your slime. Right?
Let me make more.
No.
We can't make more. That's too much. Oh my gosh, that's my slime.
Your slime slimes right here, Reese. There's plenty of slime to go around.
What? Alright, we should end the video.
Say bye-bye.
Bye!
Reese?
Slime time. Look at mine.
Look at yours. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.